Class, this is number 30. A common mistake for this problem is to divide both sides by cosecant. And the only reason it's a problem is because cosecant completely disappears from this problem. And it could be an answer. Where in like number 20, the proper way to do that problem is to divide both sides by cosine squared, and it disappeared from one side, and we basically moved it to the other side. But if we divide by cosecant here, it completely disappears. So that's kind of a trick you're going to need for certain algebra problems when you get to the ACT, and hopefully that was explained a little bit better when you took algebra class. Don't really have a lot of time here to kind of say why, but it has to do with extraneous answers and all that jazz. So what we're going to do is subtract 2 cosecant instead. So we get secant cosecant minus 2 cosecant. And we're going to try and figure out when this equals 0. Next thing we'll do is factor. They both have a cosecant, so we're going to take that out. You get secant minus 2 equals 0. So now we're at that a times b equals 0. Well, let's see if cosecant equals 0. So cosecant of x equals 0. What angle does that happen? Well, if I look on my sheet, there is not an angle between 0 and 360 where this is true, because cosecant never actually crosses the x-axis between 0 and 360. So this is never going to be true. So A for this problem will never be true. We can never get cosecant equal to 0. So then B must be true. Secant of x equals 2. When does that happen? That happens at 30 degrees. And again at 150. So these are your two answers for this problem that work.